Hey, this is Ann in the Marketing Kitchen. I have a very, very important message for restaurant owners. Stop what you're doing with your marketing dollars right now before you spend another buck on email marketing, text message marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, Groupon, direct mail. Hold on. Those are all ingredients in your marketing. But what's your marketing recipe? Before you do another spend on anything, let's take a holistic view of your marketing. Let's look at everything you've got going, everything you're not doing, everything you could be doing, everything you might want to do. Give me a call. Let's set it up. I'd be happy to help. I got 20 years in the industry. I know what it takes to run a successful and profitable restaurant, and I'll help you get the marketing plan, strategy, and tactics that you need to build and grow sales.